So we're here in Balaoli, sub-county Kamuli district. We're going to visit some of the farmers we are supporting under EADD 1 who have got challenges with accessing milk markets.
In rural Uganda, dairy farming is one of the only opportunities that farmers have to earn a living wage. But a lack of sanitation and quality control means many farmers receive a low yield at regional markets.
So you see,
This is my man.
oh, this transporter.
What you were on?
Okay. How many did you get today?
Liters. Oh, so far 8.
Today you got 8, eh?
Yes.
How do you feel about this whole marketing milk?
Here. Low price.
Low price.
Very low price. I think now they are giving us for 400
Shillings a liter.
A liter.
And do you know how much the milk is sold in Jinja?
I don't know.
So you don't know how much you are getting over that?
Yes.
In Jinja they sell the milk between 1,000 shillings
Yeah, plus.
and 1,200 shillings.
Yeah.
You're just getting about a third of the value of the milk. How do you feel about that?
I feel like they are just neglecting us. We want to suck things, but we don't have power.
Down the road, things are looking better. Jumba serves as a milk collection hub as part of Heifer's East Africa Dairy Development Program. The program is designed to boost the milk yields and incomes of small-scale farmers in Africa so that they can lift their communities out of hunger and poverty.
We are struggling a lot before. We are not very much knowledgeable about getting more milk from our cows. We are thinking that what you get is what you have to get. But when we were trained, we learned how to feed the cows, how we can grow that grass. We gained more skills in feeding the cow and to get enough milk.
By bulking their milk together, Jumba's community is able to access larger markets and demand higher prices for their milk.
This lactometer indicates the content of the milk. 30, 35, 40, that is the best. We are hurrying. We do not want to reach here there late. If you go there late, they send you away or they reject your milk. Bali, safe journey.
This is the milk reception center. The farmers are 394 per day. Whatever milk brought in is tested for quality. As you can see, the quality controller is picking a sample from each can and testing for quality. He's using alcohol or ethanol to test for the bacteria content. After there, when the milk is tested good, it is powered into the milk reception tank. And the pump pulls the milk from the milk reception tank into the coolers. And it is the same with when we are loading to the truck. Farmers at the beginning had several challenges, and the biggest challenge was over-exploitation by traders who could buy our milk at a very low price and sell it at a very high price. So they are bulking their milk together. They are now having a bigger bargaining power, and so is increased returns from the milk. We pay farmers an average of 160 million per month, and now we are receiving an average of 6,000 liters per day. That is a great achievement.